Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy Fashion. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay tuned to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure to press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my videos that I share to my channel daily about latest fashion and trends. I hope you were waiting about the new video and new topic. So guys, here you go. Let's start the video. Today my topic is about the mid-length layers haircut. These haircut are really beautiful and according to the trend and very beautiful, unique and according to the fashion and going on these days to the fashion. I will suggest you guys to watch this video till the end. In this way you can select your favorite haircut with your favorite hairstyle and favorite hair color. These all hair color with fashion hair color, fashion hairstyle and fashion haircuts are really unique, beautiful and gorgeous and according to the fashion. All job going ladies, college going ladies and girls, teen girls, school going girls, 40 plus age girls can take these beautiful hairstyles. And in this summer season, all age girls can take these hairstyles because these hairstyles are really beautiful and going on trending. These all hairstyles are easy to carry. You just take screenshot of your favorite haircut with your favorite hairstyle and hair color and go to your hairstylist to your favorite salon and take these hairstyle. Everyone have different style, taste and choice. You know best yourself and you know best that which hairstyle and haircut and hair color which suits you. While I am sharing all kind of hairstyles, all kind of layered, mid layered and shoulder layered hairstyles with fashion hair color sharing in this video, you can easily select for yourself according to your favorite and taste. I hope you guys like my effort. If you do, you can appreciate me through comment section. And if you like my effort, you can also share this video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way they also can know about the latest fashion and trend that I share daily to my channel. You guys also can share your ideas through comment section. I will like to make video on your ideas. It will be my first priority and it will be my player too. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching, keep sharing and keep spotting. Your appreciation always make me happy and give me boost to make more videos on your favorite topic next. So guys, I will be there in next video with one of your favorite topic. Till then, take yourself. Again, don't forget to share the video, comment and subscribe the video. And also don't forget to press the bell icon. So guys, take yourselves. Remember me in your prayers. Have a great hair day.